Hello, friends. We are going to learn about various different topics through this YouTube channel Thanks Education. Today's topic is human health and diseases. In this topic, we will learn about health, diseases, immunity, and its types. According to World Health Organization, health is defined as the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness, and not merely absence of diseases. For maintenance of good health, take hygienic, balanced diet and clean drinking water, and personal and communal health. Regular physical exercise, proper disposal of waste, and knowledge about diseases and their effects on body. Regular exercise is essential as well as proper disposal of waste is also important. Right now we will see what is vector. Vectors are the organisms that can transmit disease from one person to another person. It shows symptoms. These are sensation or changes in health experienced by patient just like pain, nausea. We are regularly exposed to pathogens, but then also we remain healthy. This is due to our body's resistance power. Resistance is ability to prevent damage or disease through our defense mechanism. This defense mechanism is called as immunology, or study of defense mechanism is called immunology. This immunology is termed by Edward Jenner, who is the father of immunology. Susceptibility is opposite condition of immunity. That means if there is lack of immunity, it is called as susceptibility. There are two types of diseases: communicable or infectious diseases, and non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Non-infectious disease doesn't spread from person to person. Pathogens which can cause diseases by two ways: tissue damage and toxin secretion. These toxins are of two types: endotoxin and exotoxins. That means some toxins are secreted inside the body of organism. Characters of immune system: it distinguishes between body's own cells and foreign cells. Such foreign substances that stimulate immune response called antigens. And due to such antigenic immune response, there will be synthesis of protective chemical called as antibodies. These antibodies provide protection. Types of immunity: there are two types. One is innate immunity and acquired immunity. Right now we will see innate immunity. It is by epithelial surface. It is also called as physical barrier. This physical barrier provides high salt concentration which is present in sweat, as well as sebaceous secretion. We have antibacterial ability. Respiratory tract mucosa traps microorganisms. Hair in nose traps dust and microorganisms, as well as mucous lining also traps and swept them back to pharynx, then swallowed or coughed off. Saliva has inhibitory effect on microbes, as well as acidity of gastric secretion in stomach destroy microorganisms. Flushing of urine eliminates bacteria from urethra, while spermine and zinc present in semen has antibacterial ability. Antimicrobial substances present in blood and tissue. Complement system includes 30 serum proteins. Interferons released by viral infected cells and WBCs stimulates other cells to protect from viral infection. Cellular factors includes phagocytic cell. Some lymphocytic cells are called as natural killer cell that destroys microorganisms. Fever, in which increase in body temperature, which is also responsible for killing the pathogens. Acute phase proteins means suddenly change in concentration of certain plasma proteins after injury. This includes reactive protein, mannose binding protein that neutralizes antigen, prevent tissue injury, and promote repair of inflammatory lesions. Thank you, friends. Share, like, and subscribe our YouTube channel.